Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So if you would like to see how I transformed and went from this to this, definitely stay tuned for this beginner-friendly, money-saving DIY hair tutorial. I did this flip over method and I am absolutely in love. So stay tuned to see how I achieve this look.
I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. You are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know one of these days.
So my hair has been treated and braided down. I just did about 4 or 5 cornrows going straight to the back. They don't have to be perfect, but you want to make them as flat as you can because we want this install to be as flat as it can. And then I'm just going in with a stocking cap and putting it over my head, covering up my entire head except for my ears. I'm cutting those out. And then I'm also going to then apply my second layer of protection, which is the hairspray. Then I'm going to apply my third layer of protection, which is the Weave Wonder Wrap glue protection solution, which you'll see later on in the video. And I'm drying each section in between. Now you see me just going in to cut off that excess cap to reveal my leave out. And I have a very small amount of my leave out. I like to leave minimum amount of the hair out so it can blend easily. Now I'm going in with my 30-second Pro Salon Weave Wonder Wrap. This is a liquid cap and it's going to completely protect our hair from any damage that the glue may cause. Quick weaves do not damage your hair. Improper installation and improper removal will though.
See, I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go, you can't look right until I look right. I hope you're responsible.
Now we're going to go ahead and begin laying our hair extensions. I'm reusing my bundles from a previous install, so they're already pre-cut, so I don't have to do too much work to them besides just wash them, which I've already done off camera, and then put some glue and apply them to my head. So here's the first weft. Like I said, it's already been washed and it's been cut, so I just added a thin layer of glue, and then now I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my head. To complete this install, you want to just begin laying your wefts going from one side of your head to the other side. Bring it all the way up to the front in a U or C shape. And you want to complete this process until you get to the top of the head. Depending on which side you want your flip over to actually flip over at, that's where it's going to determine how you curve the wefts. Track placement is key when you're doing quick weaves, but I'll show you guys what I mean later on in the video.
With every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me.
And now we have made it to the top of our head, and I am still laying those wefts in a U shape or a C shape, and I'm going to continue to do that until I get a really small section left, and then we're going to begin to lay our wefts in a horizontal direction, and I'll show you that later on in the video.
I'm so into it. Could be the way that you hold me. Could be the things that you say.
now that we got to the top and we have a little bit of space left, you now want to take your wefts and just cut them in small little pieces and lay them until we close this area off.
Explain it. I'm sorry to you. Really what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm sorry to you.
Now that we have this complete, I'm gonna just flip my leave out over and do some flipping, and it's giving already. And now I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer to straighten it out, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to straighten out my leave out, get it nice and silky. Then I'm gonna style this hair, and I'm just gonna put some really cute loose body wave curls, or bombshell curls, excuse me. And I like to curl my curls away from my face. And I'm using my T3i curling irons. I love these. I have a video up on these doing a review as well.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody's on next up. Damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you because you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any. Girl, that man is so in it. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately, you say he be killing her. Gotta be sick of this. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a split and get high and shout at you. Decide what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen. Said he keeps on playing games and his love ain't the same. Don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would talk.
Down in Alabama with its vicious racists, with its governor having his...
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my way of ways. Got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she goes, and waiting for the songs. That's why I said a change, that I change that way. I know you can't ignore me. It's your story. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down. Yes, sir. Okay. We used to lay up and then stay up, had to then blow. I shouldn't play no games, but you just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak. That was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do. Man, it's true. Exes change, yeah. Hey, guess you changed for the better. Better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo. But I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. So. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Wanna fuck you over, and again the truth is I ain't really here to stop. Drive wanna tell him, don't try him. I don't wanna tell him, let's surprise him. I don't wanna get into it, why you stressing him? I've been driving back and forth from Louisville to Lexington. Mileage on the whip, got your in my grip. College, make you wanna strip for them dollars. Got a job for you. Swear to God, I can do it live for you. Started scrolling through the campus, I had to stop for you. I was scrolling through the gram, girl, I had to follow. Say what's up with you.
Babe, so this pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope that it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video and love the style, definitely drop me some comments down below, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. I love y'all and thank you so much for all of your support, and don't forget to stay beautiful and blessed.